Our next participant is Mr. PremNath Vishwakarma from India. I would like to call and transfer him as an presentee. Dear participant, Mr. PremNath is a senior
Yes, tell
SEO
me, tell me.
analyst who is.
Okay, so myself PremNath Vishwakarma, and I have the 7.5 as you already introduced me myself, and I am working with a private public limited company which is the binary semantics. I have the vast experience to handling the client into the USA market, UK market, Indian market, and a lot of the other market as well, right? Now I'm going to talk here not about the strategy, not about the marketing concepts, not about the getting the leads, not about the traffic. I am going to presenting my idea on the behalf of the what is the digital identity. It is a something hot topic nowadays if we are the into the digital marketing domain, and what the our predictions toward the future, so how we can adjust ourselves into the future, and how we can matlab, how we can define our path into the future, which is the digital identity and the digital era and these type of the things. Okay, okay, fine. So I have collected some pointers here, overview, which is the digital identity and its future. So the first point is what is the digital identity. The second point is what I will be discuss here. First point is what is digital identity. Second point is what is the personal branding. Third point is technical aspects of branding. Fourth point is cryptography and machine learning. And my fifth point is future of branding and its uses. Okay. So I am going to start with my first slide. Let's start the understanding. Okay, okay, okay. So the first point into the my concept, which is the what is the digital identity. Okay, great. So if we are the into the IT field, we are aware about the binary system. All about the concept into the hardware, software, and all the methodologies. This is the best upon the binary system, 0 to 1, right? And we all have aware about, might be aware about or not aware about, but there are the specific key which is the called primary key. Primary key is something which is the defining the exact entity for any ecosystem, for any like we can call the for any table or for any a lot of the over there, like the if you are aware about the ER diagram. So there are the one concept which is the called the primary key, which is the unique key for defining a particular identity into that particular ecosystem. Okay. So what is the digital identity? This is the very hot topic and this is the very important topic. As per my predictions, actually, I am already working with some digital agencies. So I aware about that. I learn about that. Ki, yaar, this is the going to be into the future. Okay. The first point is into my slide. What is the digital identity? The first point is digital identity upon the web is equivalent to people's identity cards. Okay. So I am explaining this point as per the you are aware about ki myself Premnath Vishwakarma, but how can I prove myself ki is it myself Premnath Vishwakarma? So I have to prove my I card ki yaar this is the my I card and I am working with this company, and ki matlab this is the name there ki this is the yeah, someone Premnath Vishwakarma looking like the face and looking like the anybody like. Okay. So upon the way, we have met a lot of the peoples who never known ourselves. So how we can trust over there ki yeah, I am Premnath Vishwakarma. I am not a bot. I am not someone else. This is the my identity and it is me. So upon the web, how you can prove that? That's the concept of the digital identity. It's not about the digital signature. Just please don't conflict with the logic of the digital signature. Digital signature you are used for the some specific purpose for your organization, for your project. A lot of the government type of the thing, digital signature, which is the needed when you are going to register any company or going to launch any something like that. So it's not that. It's not a digital signature. It's a digital identity, which is the presented upon your. It's a clarified your identity upon the web on the behalf of you. Okay. My second point is we can present a digital ID electronically to prove our identity or our right to access information or services online. Okay. So as per the our scenario, we have some like the just let's say example. I have some client in the US market. He will be connecting with me. Okay, Prem, yeah, hi, I'm looking these type of the services like the email marketing, like the Facebook marketing, like the Twitter trending, like the, a lot of the things, SEO, SEM, PPC, and these type of the things. So I'm connecting over there. I'm just talk upon them on the Skype and all. Then after that, what the our trend for that? I presented him the my digital identity, which is in case of the mine. In case of the mine, this is the PremNath 321. PREMNATH, which is my name, and the numerical digit 321, because I'm not getting any unique primary key into the Google DB, particular related with my name. If you are putting into the Google Premnath Vishwakarma, there are the thousand of the name came upon the Google with the my name. But the my identity, which is the Premnath 321, it's only for me. Still I alive upon this earth, or still I am using that type of the social channels like the Twitter, like the Facebook, like the anything else where I am present my views, present my concepts, yeah, what I'm thinking, what I'm doing, and which type of the peoples I am communicating. Yeah. Okay. My third point is that choose unique primary key related with your name or anything else to be built your branding upon the web. Okay. See, XYZ, anything you can your name, but when you are the put it into the Google search engine, Google search box, a lot of the result came on the behalf of that. But what the digital identity? Digital identity is something when you put that particular query, like the your name or the some string related with your name, then it's only reflected the result related with you. It might be your Facebook profile, it might be your Twitter profile, it might be your LinkedIn profile, it might be your you have author on some publications, you might be owner of the some company, but that's why called the digital identity very very important nowadays and into the future. How into the future? I will going to be prove that. Okay, so the my second slide is about what is personal branding. Okay, so when you are going to be built your digital identity for the one particular word or one particular string of the word related to your name or XYZ, you can choose your name as a, like any gaming character, as like any Hollywood star character, anything else, but it's defining your identity upon the web. Okay, so how it will be works? It is a practice of people marketing themselves and their career as a brand. Okay, I have give the very very good example. We all aware about Paytm. Paytm, which is the into the Indian market, wallet services, banking services, a lot of the thing. Owner name Vijay Sekhar Sharma. I have personally meet Vijay Sekhar Sharma 1 or 2 years ago into his college. This is the Delhi College of Engineering, and कि मतलब there are the his name is also a brand with their stakeholders, with their community channels. Paytm is used by the Indian users because it launches the services into the India as well, right? मतलब into the India. But if Vijay Sekhar Sharma goes into the US market, if he will be connecting with the some US peoples, if he will be connecting with some China people, they don't aware about it, the Paytm. They just simply know कि हाँ ठीक है आपका your product is one of the product is Paytm. But they very well aware about the this is the Vijay Sekhar Sharma. Second example is Sairi Chahal. If you are aware about the one of the Oman community, which is the called Siroj. Siroj is a concept of the working ladies into the India. It's the portal called the Siroj, and the identity of the Siroj of on the behalf of the Sairi Chahal. Sairi Chahal is the owner of the Siroj product, but Sairi Chahal जो नेम है, दिस इज द सैरी चाहल, दिस इज द combined name of the two words, Sairi Chahal. He's already presented his network as a brand as a brand herself. कि yeah, this is the Sairi Chahal and my product is the Siroj, and Siroj is a lot of the customer. Siroj is a lot of the like the I'm not sure. I'm justifying myself very good or not, but this is the exactly concept what I'm trying to be convey with that particular persona. If there are the any company and if there are the any owner or any person, particular person, it might be very little person into the hierarchy like the executive level, like the manager level, like the CTO level, but he can build own self their identity upon the web and getting directly or indirectly help towards the company or might be their future for the into the coming future into the digital media, yeah, digital marketing. Okay. Very, very good example I have collected. I'm not seeing the my okay. So personal branding is the means by which people remember you. Yeah, this is a very, very important concept. I'm presenting here. I'm not aware about how many people are directly look up on me. Ki, yeah, this is the Premnath Vishwakarma. But you forget my name. You will be forget. Obviously, yeah, human mind is going to be a lot of the things. But you never forget my identity, Premnath 321. If you little, if you little concerned with what is the Premnath 321, just you put it into the Google Premnath 321, you will get a lot of the things. Ki, yaar, this is the Premnath 321. He is talking about this. He is talking about this. So your mind is something going to be catch that particular query. Yeah, someone is a Premnath 321, which is the SEM guy or SEO analyst guy or something like that. And how this matter? This is the very good, great example into the my example of Gracia. Okay, the name Trumps and Clinton. If I am presenting myself into the digital marketing domain all over the world, I am just supposing might be there are the 4 to 5 people from the USA as well. So see, when someone talking into the anywhere, if you are the putting the Google or when someone, matlab, just we are the listening the name Trump, there are the some images built on into our mind on the behalf of that information which is we already read upon the web. Very, very important topic. When came any word like the Trump into my mind, this is the going to be built an image of the Trump into my mind, which information I am getting from over the web. I just read about the web ki yaar Trump is going to be fight with the Kim Jong Un, North Korea and blah blah blah. I am your Trump is something very honest person. Yeah, Trump is their Twitter profile. There are a lot of the other profile. So this is the something called ki Trump. So Trump, I have already my mind is projected some personality which is the reflected. Okay, some might be this is the going to be positive or this is the going to be negative. But there are the second branding is like the Clinton. This is also the very interesting. Okay, Clinton. Now the Clinton, nobody, remember the Bill Clinton. But currently, they are aware about the Hillary Clinton. Yeah, they both are the US president's candidates and all. And for the Indian visitors, this is the very good example. That's for the US base. This is the Namo, oho. हमारे मोदी जी, नरेंद्र मोदी, right? कि from the Gujarat, एक बहुत बढ़िया, well planned image upon our whole ecosystem into the India, which is the particular on the behalf of the internet. Namo is like the brand name of the Narendra Modi. Yeah, I can say, yeah, this is the proof. You just type into the Google Namo. You never meet. I'm not sure कि कभी I'm going to be meet Narendra Modi or not. But Namo is the something his personal branding, which is the called I am going to call digital identity. Digital identity of the our PM Narendra Modi is upon our internet ecosystem is called Namo, right? And what type of the information, what type of the images, what type of the influencers are going to be connected over that particular branding word, and what they are talking. They are talking, Narendra Modi is very good. Narendra Modi is doing this type of the thing, blah 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 blah. We have a general entity into that particular ecosystem. We are only aware about that type of the information which is came into the media, which is came into the in front of us, right? And the second example is Pappu, right? Okay, a lot of the name Pappu into our India. I know when into my village there are the 3 to 4 person which is the called Pappu, but when I listening this word Pappu, directly my mind reflected the Rahul Gandhi. I'm telling truth. I'm telling truth. I'm emphasizing this word. When I listen Pappu word anywhere into my network, into my channel, which is my personal network, then Pappu word when hitted into my mind reflect the Rahul Gandhi personality. Why? Why these are the going to be happen? These are the digital identity, dears. We are the digital marketers. We can understand the things. These are the digital marketing. This is the main core methodology of the digital marketing. There are the agency, might be there are the agency, there are the people, or might be Rahul Gandhi, these type of the people. I'm not going to be comment upon any political system or any personal comments upon anybody, but this is the exact scenario. This is the exact scenario, which is the, if you just think about it, if you are the coming with the name of the Pappu, then directly your mind will be reflect the Rahul Gandhi into your mind. This is the real scenario and good example of the digital identity upon the way. Okay, I have put it some small link which is the Ajoy Sinha. एक अजय सिन्हा हमारा senior test leader था. My college, my senior is the Ajoy Sinha. Currently, he's the living into the California and doing all the bug related thing, Mantis blog and Bugzilla and QTP and all. But he's a very well class banda for the class guy for the this type of the concept which is the called personal branding and related with the digital identity which is the valued into the future. Okay, now I am going to be my fourth slide. Technical aspects of the branding. Okay, क्या होगा, what the it's be going to be work if I'm putting my effort upon the web to build my personal branding, something like that. I have used some URLs which is already created by default or anyway. So technical aspects of the branding is that build credibility. It will be define your credibility upon the web, how you present yourself, what you eat. I am eating the into McDonald's. I am just tweeted about that. Yeah, I had eat the McDonald's. I'm indirectly I am in promoted the McDonald's, but this is the something credibility and all. I am connecting with the. I am going to be a pic with the Amitabh Bachchan. I am posted upon the my Facebook wall. Yeah, this is the So जो our digital identity will be defined. Yeah, this particular PremNath 321 is already met with the Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Okay. Trust. This will be going to be built the trust. Like the why we are the communicating with the video conferencing. What the need of that? Need of that, dear. Yeah, this is the genuine guy. This is the unique guy. This is the PremNath Vishwakarma. I am currently sitting upon into my home. Might be I am not looking very well professional and all, but yeah, this is the something. This is the called the need of the video. So you are the guys is going to be trust. It's built the trust, right? So which is the factor executed by the digital branding, yeah, digital identity. Okay, and self-identification with the brand. Your identification, obviously, you are the talking that type of the thing. You are the meeting that type of the thing. So you are going to be connected with the that particular domain, which is a lot of the brand over there, and you will be getting connected. Okay, I'm going to the second point. Building a real face of your brand identity among your stakeholder. I'm already given the example of Vijay Shekhar Sharma and Seri Chal. This is the what I'm talking about at that time. Okay. Establish your unique value proposition and messaging statements. Yeah, this is very important. Into our earlier internet work culture, it's very important that someone putting the mail. Yeah, mail came and then their team, remote team, might be their manager, their CEO. I'm just need a water. Okay, their CEO, their CTO, and other people are aware about that. Yeah, someone putting the mail. But nowadays, no, yaar, who have the time? I am traveling. I am sitting somewhere. I am just tweeted. I am just tweet the my manager. Ki, yaar, sir, these are the some clients are the pinging. He has the logo problem. His mail is not delivering. I am just tweet it. I am just Facebook it. I am just WhatsApp it also. I am here for the WhatsApp communication very well executed by the GDMS team. He will be very executed, punctually executed myself into the communicating with the WhatsApp. Yeah, sir, this time, blah, blah, blah. And I'm here. A lot of the meeting we have the going to be, forget and all. Anyway, so this is the establish your unique value proposition and messaging statement. Your digital identity. Okay. Cryptography and machine learning. Yeah, this is the why it will be going to be impacted of the future. Okay. If you are aware about the cryptography, I am going to be one line statement. Cryptography is something you can say ki, something logical statements of that particular word. This is the came into the market one of the new seller routers. Routers are पुराने type के जो kings and other secure messages was going to be traveling upon the network. it will be going to be converted into some different form which is not readable by any bot or any peoples, you can say. Agar if you are talking about the general system, and if you are talking about the internet ecosystem, so it's not going to be readable. You know, it's something encrypted. You can say the cryptography is the methodology which is going to be encrypted messages and these type of the things, which is the traveling over the our OSI layer. If you are aware about the open system interconnection into the data structure, right? There are the physical layer, network layer, topologies, and you know, a lot of the things over there. Okay. So this is the cryptography is practice and study of techniques of secure communication in the presence of third parties called adversaries. I am explaining. I am putting the if someone want the more details, this is the link over there. Okay. So second point is machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence, AI. Everybody aware about the AI. Arey yaar, what the meaning of the AI? That's the main need. What the need of the AI? That's the main concept. GDMS team is personally handling the thing. There are the future, dear. There are the future. I am telling today. After the 2-3 years, you don't need of the personal कोई handle करेगा, बैठा रहेगा for the messaging the someone PremNath 321, someone handling. No, automatic. This will be going to be automated. You know, you all guys know the boats are handling MMT and other application, which is the big brand are going to be already integrated into that system. Nobody physically presents over there handling the little queries. They've only presented yourself when the some main work needed and something like that. Okay. So machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence AI that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experiences without being explicitly programmed. Example links दोनों बराबर. I have given the examples of the links. Okay. Important is that I am the BTech computer science engineer, and I had read some concept into my AI book, artificial intelligence book. सबसे first page, first line, man made ability to take decisions. Simple as that. Man made ability to take decisions, like our a lot of the things over there, like our blood reports machine, like our x-ray machine. There are all the things are the programmed. A lot of the program going to be filtered, a lot of the things going to be which is the last method jo filtered method are going to be aware, and it came into the the AI concept, and I'm already I think as much as possible I am explaining at this stage. Okay. Now, my second last slide is future of branding and its usage. Okay, I'm already explaining the things why it's needed, but yeah, the brand is not what you say it is. Yeah, very good, great. Okay, brand is not what you say it is. It is what they say it is. Yeah, right. And the proverbial they मतलब आपके customer and आपके users. I am saying something, Binary Cement is Limited is a very great company. Okay, public limited है. Obviously, I am working there, so I am a, analyst over there. So I am saying, but it's not here. It's not going to be proved. What the proof? Someone else, my customers, my users, the binary semantics customer, the binary semantics client, binary semantics user as like the me also. I am the some of the user as a, indirectly user as an employee. But if I say, yeah, binary semantics limited is a good company, then it's a matter. It's a brand. It's a branding. It's a branding. Someone others told, yeah, Binary Cement Limited is a good company. That's a branding. And it will be going to be impacted into the market. That's why the influencers and, these type of the things came into the market from the last 2-3 years. What is the meaning of the influencer? Influencers are someone who's talking their own techniques or their own logic. But if you are talking about any brand, the people are going to be impacted. Like our earlier, I have very carefully listened to Brendan Hill. He's all the things inspired by the Neil Patel. Neil Patel, aware, very well aware. I am following him from the 5 to 6 years, last 5 to 6 years. And Neil Patel, there are the two products of the Neil Patel as well. एक तो Neil Patel का blog, neilpatel.com, Quick Sprout blog, and the दो product जो main है, Kiss Matrix and Crazy Egg. These are the, I'm not, this is the something brand. Neil Patel is the brand right now. And what the concept behind it? Digital branding, digital identity. He has established himself upon the web for their video, for their very meaningful conceptual articles, a lot of the things for, with their network. So Neil Patel is the best example into our community, right? And he's a very, his articles and his blog posts is the very great and insightful, no doubt, no doubt. Okay. AI is invading the marketing world as brands find practical usage for computational intelligence and cognitive machines and learn as they go. Okay. All the things related is that how the things are going to be marketing words and how the brand practical users are computational, these type of, okay. How your brands can be relevant in 2030? That's a very important question. Currently, I'm handling the, my company into the binary semantic. There are the 20-30 clients. Okay. The things are going on. Management are the happy. They are fulfilling the client's need. They are the growing. What it will be going to be happened into the 2030? That's a major question, which is the, all the visionaries peoples or all the my CEO and they are the thinking these type of the things. What will be going to be? What the market at that time into the the software development segment, software development market, how it will be going to be at that time? This is the need. Okay. My last slide is the fact analysis. Okay. Yeah, that's a very great. The future of branding is de-branding. Yeah, I'm not going to be explaining here. This is the collection pointers. You guys all the find about related it. Yeah, and this is the fact. This is the fact. Branding is de-branding hogi into the future. Okay. ब्रांड रेपुटेशन विल इक्वली कंपनी कल्चर. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपकी जो ब्रांड की रेपुटेशन है, इज इट नॉट मैटर कि आपका वो कंपनी का नेम है, आपका वो अपना पर्सनल ब्रांड है, या वो दिस इज द समथिंग आपका पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट है. आई एम सॉरी यार, आई एम हिंदी, बट या दिस इज द सिनेरियो. कंपनी, पर्सनल ब्रांड and that particular segment of your work culture. Third option is that disruptive brand to focus on brand valuation. Obviously, imagine the future of branding and start to build your personal brand. Okay, the future of brands is your personal brand, which going toward the way to continue the journey. Okay, what the meaning of that? Into the coming future, the company name, the company presentation or company valuation as a brand, it will be going to be minimized. Like the nowadays Coca-Cola is a big brand, right? But into the future, it will be going to be human-based hierarchy or the up. Not at that level of the company, but at least into our community, at least into our system. So that's why I'm putting that particular topic of the digital identity. Okay. And the final thought is thanks. My identity is last into my signature, which is the PremNath 321. And yeah, good I presented.
Thank you, Mr. PremNath Vishwakarma.